In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get an animated profile picture on Steam. Animated avatars make your profile look much more unique and eye-catching, especially when other players visit your page or see your profile in the friends list. The good news is that Steam actually provides built-in animated avatars through the Steam Points shop, and setting one up only takes a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Steam tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Steam is open, look at the top of the window and click on Store. Inside the Store menu, find and click on the option called Point Shop. The Steam Point Shop is where you can spend Steam points that you earn from purchasing games and items on the platform. Inside the Point Shop, browse through the different categories until you find the section for animated avatars. Here you'll see a variety of animated profile pictures that you can purchase using your Steam points. Click on an animated avatar that you like, then select the option to buy it using your points. Once the purchase is complete, you're ready to apply it to your profile. Now click on your profile name in the top right corner of Steam and select View My Profile. On your profile page, click the Edit Profile button on the right side. This will open all the customization settings for your Steam profile. In the menu on the left side, click on Avatar. Here you'll see your available profile pictures, including any animated avatars you purchased from the Points shop. Simply select the animated avatar you want to use, then scroll down and click Save. After saving, your animated avatar will immediately appear on your Steam profile and anywhere your profile picture is shown across Steam. That's all it takes to get an animated profile picture on Steam. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Steam guides, and I'll see you in the next one.